Why don't we guide him? Well, here's a guy that's happy his truck got repaired. He's getting ready to go back on the road. Nice old Peterbilt. And he's one happy camper. He's not going to be too far delayed. Fortunately, we got big enough property. Mike is a darn good mechanic, 45 years old. That's his trailer there. He's a mobile mechanic, and he's being based right out of our location now. Go on. You got it, guy. Another happy trucker. Go on, you got it. But anyway, that's what we do. Keep them on the road, keep them comfortable. We also, if you got to go uptown and we're here with our vehicle, we will be your Uber to take you to get a restaurant or whatever, hotel, whatever you want if you're not sleeping, you know, if you don't have a day cab or anything like that. So, Pocono Patriot out.